Xavier Alexander Shagnasty here again. I think I might have got the names mixed up in the previous video. I've got more spoonerisms than Mrs. Malaprop. YouTube only give you a minute to say what's on your mind, but I have to say, as a leading light of the establishment of the British upper class, I am very worried. I feel that Nigel Farage's deportations are going to leave a vacuum, and we know that nature abhors a vacuum, and the searchlight, the arc light, will fall upon the segment of society which has been shagging everybody else since the days of Margaret Thatcher.